I want to move now from education to the pandemic and to the Eastern Cape specifically. Nelson Mandela Bay Metro's funeral parlours are struggling to cope because of the spike in coronavirus cases in and around the city. Over 1,600 people have died from COVID-19 in the Metro since the pandemic started. The Metro has been declared a coronavirus hotspot. eNCA's Nceba Ntlanganiso visited a funeral parlour. Here's the report.
These men work at a funeral parlour in Nelson Mandela Bay. The death rate from COVID-19 in the Metro has spiked sharply, and this means the bodies are piling up and contributing to the mortuary's overall workload.
We're doing plus minus 220 funerals every week. The busiest day is Saturday. We're having about 74 funerals. It's a strain because all those families, you need to satisfy them.
Workers at the funeral parlours have to stare the virus in the face every day, and it's putting a lot of pressure on them.
Various staff have shown exhaustion, and some of our staff as well have been showing symptoms of COVID, but we are taking care of that by following the standard operating procedures.
We don't have enough work force. As a result, we are using our own TLPs to dig the holes because the numbers, we can't cope with the numbers.
Once the job is done, staff go home exhausted, not knowing whether they may be the next to contract COVID-19.
They go home very anxious. They don't know what's going to happen next, and they even sometimes don't know if they are carrying the virus or not. So that anxiety works on them, and it can affect their productivity.
Nelson Mandela Bay has officially been declared a hotspot, and the president has announced tough new restrictions here to curb the spread of the virus. Nceba Ntlanganiso, Port Elizabeth.